Hi, I am Dr. Tom Atkinson from Nebo Medical Clinic, part of McDowell Medical Associates. I've been in Marion and Nebo practicing medicine for over 40 years now. I know many of you and have delivered a bunch of you in the days I was delivering babies. It is a great place to live. We have so many friends here. But this is a time of crisis for all of us. We know what's going on with the COVID now. I wrote a letter that's in the newspaper today that maybe some of you have seen, but I just wanted to emphasize the importance of us trying to stay the course over the next few months. I know that early on we were all enthusiastic to do our part in this thing, but we got confusing information. Different well-meaning people have things that they were trying to help save the economy, and yet we were losing lives. Unfortunately, we never had a Solomon stand up with the wisdom to try to help both of those at the same time. But what we're left with now is a rapidly expanding virus that is a killer virus, and we can help prevent it. The social distancing they've asked for and the masks that we've been asked to wear, the mask protects someone else. It doesn't really protect you. You're not going to keep from getting it by wearing a mask, but if you have it, you're going to keep from giving it, as likely to give it. The viral load that you get determines in some ways how serious your case will be and even whether you're going to get it. So by limiting that, it helps out. We're coming into the holiday season. This is a very, very joyous time in most years. This will be a different holiday season for all of us. But I ask, most of us in this community are Christian, or at least practice Christian beliefs. And anyone that goes to any kind of church knows that the greatest commandment that was given to us by our Lord is to love God, and equally is to love our neighbors ourselves. Didn't say young neighbors to old neighbors, all of our neighbors. We need to be able to protect those people. This is protecting those people. It doesn't cost you anything. I mean, I guess it's a nickel for one of these, whatever it is, but that is what we can do to our fellow man, to follow that commandment. It just makes sense, especially with the reports in the national news of right around the corner. By that, I mean a few months of having vaccines that will help to make this summer a truly joyous time. And we would like to have all of us still around this summer to enjoy all of the good things that come about. We've done this for almost a year now. It'll probably be a year and 5 or 6 months before we can start to really loosen our ties a little bit. I just beg you to keep the course now. It's not that hard. It's a nuisance. I got it. Remind you that it needs to be up over your nose. It doesn't help if it's sitting just on your upper lip here. Please try to follow the guidelines of the folks that are setting these recommendations, because they're not doing it just to tick you off. They're doing this to save lives. It clearly has been shown to do so. I thank you very much. I hope you have a good holiday season, but please think about it. This will be a different one. You may be seeing your loved ones on screens this holiday season, but there'll be more holiday seasons, and we'd like to be able to see them. Thank you for your time.